Now, you just brought up one of your recent clients. Where are they? You said Etihad or Etihad Engineering. Etihad Engineering. But I know that Etihad Engineering, for example, I've actually worked with them on and off for 10 years, right? And I know they've had some of these challenges that they've really had before them. Now, why would they choose what you're doing right now? What's happening there right now?
So they, among many of the reasons, there are three things that I would talk about. Two more on the functional technical side and one on the organizational side, right? On the functional technical, the 2 points that I mentioned earlier, the advanced planning and optimization to do more with less. And second is how do you reduce the turnaround time, specifically in the very upfront part of their operations when they have to read all these manuals and upload these tasks. All of those we are trying to reduce from months to days, right?
Okay.
On the organizational front, and this is very important for our audience to know, that Ramco really stands at the software as well as organization level for flexibility. We bring tremendous flexibility in our software. So anybody out there who's trying to solve some difficult problems or trying to innovate their business, Ramco is a software to bank on, because organizationally we are ready and technologically we are ready to support our customers for innovation through our flexibility.
Okay. Well, I know Etihad was one of them. We recently made a decision to move forward with you to implement this. I think there was an engine company that you had working in Europe.
Right next to what you see, the Iberia.
Right here, Iberia.
Well, Iberia is more than an engine company. They do pretty much all the work.
Okay.
The engine, airframe, component line, as well as all of the other MRO work. So they have been implementing our software across all the different types of MRO operations that they carry out, including engine, of course.
Okay, excellent.